How do you do? I am going to explain about direct variation. In this direct variation, when the quantities, one quantity changes, other also changes directly. Means suppose if one quantity is increased, other will also increase. If one quantity is decreased, other will also increase. Suppose if you have more money, you can buy more pens. This is direct. Didn't you see that? If you have more money, you can buy more pens. So this is direct. It's okay. So this is about exercise 6.6. Three questions I have solved. Okay, on this direct variation. In a very easy way, I have solved it. So watch it. Okay. This is exercise 6.6. Direct variation. Direct variation means if one thing is increased, other thing will also increase. Okay. When one quantity increases, other also increases. When one quantity decreases, other also decreases. So this is a question. You have to fill here now. So here what you have is that x by y is given here. X is equal to 2 and there is a gap here. I have filled it x here. It's okay. And x is 8, y is 18. You have to fill the gap here. This what will be here. So like this. So since its values directly, so 2 by x, this is 2 by x is equal to 8 by 18. So okay, this is direct variation. Okay, 2 by x is equal to 8 by 18. So now 2 by x is equal to 8 by 18. Therefore now cross multiplied. This is direct. Okay, so 8x is equal to 2 into 18, right? Now x is equal to how much? So it comes to be 9 by 2. After simplification, it comes to be 9.2. This is answer. So what we will fill here? We will fill here 9 by 2 here at these points. Correct? Now that was question number 2, subpart 1. Now question number 4. This is 4. If P varies directly as Q and P is equal to 282, when Q is equal to 5.1, if Q is equal to 6.8, then what is P? Okay, this is P and this is Q, and they varies directly. Q is given here, P we have to find. So P by Q, I wrote here P by Q. P is this, Q is this, is equal to P by Q. It's okay. The value of Q is given here 6.8. 6.8 I wrote here 6.8. It is correct. So now from here come here now. Here at this point. So here what we have. So 282 divided by 5.1 is equal to P by 6.8. So after cross multiplication, this is multiplied to this one, this is multiplied to this one. So 5.1 P is equal to 6.8 into 282. Now how much will it be? Okay, this P, okay, now transfer this 5.1 to this side, it will divide here. It's okay. So the decimal has been removed at this point, and after simplification it comes to be 4 into 94, and the answer is P is equal to 376. So P is 376. So when Q is 6.8, P will be 376. Correct? Now number 5. The question is L varies directly as M. L varies directly as M and L is equal to 5. When M is equal to 2 by 3, find L when M is equal to 16 by 3. Right. This is same way. This also varies directly. Therefore, L by M. This is L, this is L, and this is M. So L by M is equal to L by M. So the first one, L is this and M is this. So L by M. This is 5 by 2 by 3 is equal to L. L we have to find, and M is given 16 by 3. L varies directly as M. Now, so 15 by 2 is equal to 3L by 16. So 6L is equal to 15 into 16. So L will be how much? 6 will go down here. So L is equal to 40. So okay, L is equal to 40 we got it here, now 40. So this is answer, L will be 40.